Use Business Activity Analytics queue monitoring rule to keep track of queue sizes and average wait times. With this rule, you can be notified when the queue length or average wait time exceeds a preset threshold deemed too long. Review past queue length and wait time trends to help develop strategies for improving customer satisfaction. And know when to open up another register because queues are getting too lengthy. To begin, log into the website. Locate the Business Activity Analytics card on your homepage and click to open it. From the drop-down menu, select the camera you would like to create a rule for. Click Add Rule. Select Queue Monitoring. Give your rule a name. Click and drag the corners of the ground zone to move it into place over the entire area where a line is expected to form. The ground zone must be placed at floor level, ensuring that the feet of people queuing within it will be visible. You can create a custom shape by clicking Clear Ground Zone. Then click to create new points and connect them to finalize your ground zone so that the interior is green. If needed, drag your points to adjust the shape. This rule supports the tracking of up to 6 different queue thresholds at once. Use the drop-down menus to select the following: up to 3 queue size thresholds designed to track the number of people in line, up to 3 average wait time thresholds designed to track the average length of time people are spending in line. Then click Save. Repeat these steps for each camera you wish to create a rule for. In order to be alerted when a queue length or average wait time threshold has been reached, configure a corresponding notification. Click Notifications on the top of the page. Then choose New Notification. Select Queue Monitoring Notification. Be sure to give your notification a name. Select the camera or cameras and the thresholds you wish to be notified about. Next, select whether this notification should be active at all times or only during select days and timeframes. Click Add to choose who should receive the notification and how it will be delivered. Once you are finished adding recipients, click Close to exit the address book. To finish, click Save. Repeat these steps for each threshold you wish to be notified about. To subscribe to queue monitoring reports, click Reports on the top of the page. Then choose New Report. Select Queue Monitoring Report. This report will summarize queue sizes and wait times throughout the reporting timeframe. Be sure to give your report a name. Select the camera or cameras and the corresponding rule and threshold you wish to receive a report for. Next, select the time frame for the data that will be included in your report. This will determine when and how often your report is delivered. Next, select the format of your report. Click Add to choose who should receive the report. Reports can only be delivered via email. Once you're finished adding recipients, click Close to exit the address book. To finish, click Save. Repeat these steps for each threshold you wish to receive a report about. Learn more today at guardianprotection.com.